In this video, we're going to look at flash fill in Excel. Now, I have some IDs here, and the first two digits represents the year, and then the second digit represents the semester, and the two digits after that, 0 and 5, is the departmental code, and then the three digits represent the specific serial number or roll number of each student here. Now I want the ID to be in dash, so we can understand it better. So I'm just going to write 16-205, sorry, 2-05-001. Now I want it here again same, and when I just wrote 16, you can see that Excel is already interpreting it, and this is what flash fill is. And now if I just hit enter, all of the IDs has been converted at once, and that is what flash fill is. And if the flash fill suggestion doesn't show up when you are trying to do the flash fill, you can always go to data tab, and you have flash fill right next to text to columns. If you just click on flash fill, the flash fill would be carried out. Okay, so that was it for this video, but let's just look at the flash fill in another way. So let's just take it, sorry about that, let's copy it here, there you go. Now let's just do it in a way. We have 162 and then 05 and then 001. Hit enter, and now just click on flash fill, and the flash fill is done even without the suggestion. So I hope you got to learn something new, and thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.